Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use PayPal with Zapier. So let's get started. So first step is to go to zapier.com. Alright, so once you're on this website, on the left hand side you can see the option for create a Zap. So all you have to do is click over here. Alright, so over here you can see the trigger. So click on trigger, and our trigger will be PayPal. Okay, so now let's select any event. Alright, so here you can see this is our trigger, successful sale. Click on continue. And test your PayPal over here with Zapier. Now click on continue. Alright, so our action will be Excel sheet. Okay. And over here you can just add a row. Click continue and sign in with your Microsoft Excel account. Here fill in your details, and once you have done that, all you have to do is publish this Zap. That is how you can use PayPal with Zapier. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.